We're up at the third floor of across the road, Dongkham Rongan. Okay, looking around. We were looking up here. This is the refugee apartment. There's Som. Hello, Som. Som's keeping an eye on things. There's Pat. Let me see. Looks like Min is sleeping. I know that May is awake. There's Kundang. They're making me some mama, which is like a little noodle soup, so I can eat something before I head back. There's the TV telling us that it's flooding, but we know that already. So this is the little apartment. Hello, Pat. Hey, Som. You take video. No one ever gets me on the video. See, video. See. Am I? See, no one ever gets a picture of me. Do I look okay? The girls are sleeping. Okay. I'll get my Red Sox hat on too. Look at my breakfast is coming. So we're doing okay. Something back on here. One cup. Oh, there's a. Ah, she's so cute. Sway away. Yeah, that's her mom. That's Kundang, and that's Nan. This is Nan's apartment. Nan's in charge of breakfast. We had furniture up here, but we stole the furniture, so I had to go back into my house because I moved to a new house, which fortunately happens to be on dry land.